Hi, Silicon Valley Tom. Today I'm going to be showing you how to put some premium tempered glass on a phone. It's a Samsung Galaxy J7 2017 model. I bought two of these boxes here. Two tempered glass and application kits come in each box. I paid $12, so that's about $3 a shot. They're supposed to be the 9H hardness, waterproof, impact resistant, ultra clear, HD clear. And of course, they're all made in China and stuff, and it comes with the application kit. If you don't have an application kit with your tempered glass, you could just use a dilution of 50% water and 50% alcohol, and then you use a towelette that you use for cleaning glasses, prescription glasses with, and then you would want a second towelette that'd be more like the one that you would throw in the dryer to keep the elastic out of the clothing. It's similar to that. I just took off the old tempered glass. It's broken. It was a cheapo. So now I'm wiping it down, both sides with a damp towelette, and then I'm going to concentrate on the top, and then I even do the tempered glass itself. Now I'm changing to the dry towelette, and I'm going to rub and clean it up real good. Then I'm going to make sure that I'm pushing the dust off in one direction. I don't know if you can see that. And I'm going to do the tempered glass as well. The main thing is the dust before you even start, and even off the sides of the phone, because you'll pick it up. And the tempered glass itself, just go around a little bit real quick on that one as well. And then look at the phone, the display. You can see the dust, and make sure you push it off. I have a second towelette I use. It looks like one of the ones you would throw in the dryer, and that seems to pick up the dust lint pretty well. I'm pulling off the sticker, and I'm going to start on one side. I'm going to try to center it on the home button. After it's centered exactly in the home button, I'll start to try to drop it down, and I'll pick it back up if I don't see it's quite centered. You'll be able to see that pretty good. But the main thing is you drop down from one side. It's not like you just put it both sides down and flat onto the screen. If you have any questions about this, ask me and I'll try to answer. But it's pretty straightforward. In a second, I'm going to be spinning the phone around and then dropping the tempered glass, because I can see it's pretty much in the right position. I lifted it up again, made an adjustment. That's no problem. But at this point, there's no dust underneath because I was careful to clean it. And so that's it, basically. That's Silicon Valley Tom, and I hope you like my videos. And ask me any questions like I just said. And you don't need to spend too much money on these tempered glasses because it's hit or miss. You might get a good one, you might get one that's a cheapo, but you got to check it out real good. So that's Silicon Valley Tom. Thank you for watching my videos, and I'll have more in the future. So that's Silicon Valley Tom, over and out. Have a nice day, and God bless. Thank you. Bye.